Punta Cana, blessed with one of the Caribbean region's longest white sand coastlines, a whopping 48 kilometers, 30 miles, punctuated with sky-reaching coconut palms. Punta Cana is the landmark randerization by the sea, here where the Atlantic meets the Caribbean, from the northern tip at Uvero Alto to the southern at Cap Cana. All-inclusive resorts and boutique hideaways offer all the whims and comforts of modern beachfront living. Families enjoy miniature entertainment centers and water parks for children, while couples only enclaves boast dream wedding locations with secluded beachside lodging for an ultra-romantic stay. But it's not only about fun in the sun, soft sand brushing against your toes, and iridescent clear water to swim in, go fishing, or dive for underwater life and shipwrecks. Punta Cana is also a golfer's destination, with 10 courses located all along the strip, a seaside escape with luxurious marinas and fine dining, and a wellness corner home to the country's top spas, including the only Six Senses in the Caribbean. Wherever you settle on this brilliant white Punta Cana coastline, counting 11 blue flag certified beaches in its inventory, go beach hopping to enjoy its full splendor. From scenic surf hub Macau and Bavaro's hipster beaches Corrales and Cortesito lined with shops, water sports, and beachfront bars to secluded Joanello, among others.